laugh how the old man gave us hidings for not wearing shoes, shitting our pants, or just being in his way when he was fucked off. It was all over our faces, a smile that wiped itself off like shit slipping beneath fingernails. And we kept it even after the old man said,
"What the fuck are you looking at and smiling about?"
Never kicked the old man when he was down. He'd fall over, too pissed, eh? We drank his piss. He stood above us, and we just opened our mouth. We held up the chemist for pseudoephedrine. Bro shouted, I cut him, and Bro finished the job with his fist. Before we left, we watched the old man cry out, get drunk, and beat the old lady up. All around us, the wind carried our lies and death to Pulotu.
I'm a BAPI, I'm an MAPI, I'm a PhD, BCom, LLB, MD, PI, I'm a Talanoa PI, I'm a Tava PI, I'm the space, the time, the tune, the transcending PI, I'm a royal PI, I'm a commoner PI, I'm a coup supported, you deported PI, I'm a White Sunday PI, LMS PI. I'm a born again, no mandatory tithing PI. I'm that blood clot PI, that top knot PI, that loosener of sun and skin and brothers PI. I'm a lover PI. I'm a mama PI. I'm a breastfeed till they tell you I'm done now PI. I'm an angry PI. I'm a dawn-raided PI. I'm a crouching Polly Panther in Grey Lynn PI. I'm a pair of Jimmy Choos. I'm a size 12 in fuchsia, please. I'm a no shoe fits the foot of an earth mama. I'm a dub PI. I'm a Bebo PI. I'm a good-looking, Facebooking, hooking up PI. I'm a one-talk PI. I'm a custom dance PI. I'm a Nakamal meeting, NGO greeting, fight for rights PI. I'm a Siva Samoa PI. I'm an Ava pouring PI. I'm a Tula Fale tonguing genealogy PI. I'm a shadowing PI. I'm a fathoming PI. I'm the ocean, I'm the wave, I'm the depths of it PI.
Silent thoughts surface serene, tranquil moments yet to be. Malaila, you are always in my heart.
This one's for the island, island. This one's for the island girls. This one's for the island, island. This one's for the island. Cruising through 22002. Come on, yeah, yeah. Where dreams like this, they can come true. This one's for the island girl. This one's for you. Can you feel this? Lyrical rhyme, a trip from your world into mine. Memories for the longest time, like we must decide. A message to your girl from inside. In spite of all this fussing and fighting, will you, my girl, stop your crying? Will we always go on trying? Will my mind stop on flying as we cruise through 22002? Yeah. Loving you, girl, loving you, girl, loving you, girl, day and night. Loving you, girl, wrong or right, loving you, girl. Come on, say, Ray, love it, love it. Sweet, sweet vibration, sweet, positive sensation. I wanna make sweet loving to you, girl. Now, yeah, yeah. When I see you walking, girl, you're looking mighty fine. I just turn around and say, girl, you really made my day, girl. Girl, yeah, you made my day, girl, right. Island queen stands out in the crowd. I see a Polynesian queen, Micronesian queen, Melanesian queen. Her graceful smile, the way she walks, way she talks, sings sweet ancient melodies, sweet memories. Cruising through this year like the last did not disappear. See her walking by, come for a ride, yeah. Yes, Queensland Poetry Festival 2008. Nice to be here. Polynesian representing each and every single time. Like this. Got together with 3Q. Send this message out to you. Loving you, girl, is a must. But in me, you cannot trust. What the fuss? It's like chasing the wind. But when we're together, it's back to the beginning. Sitting, thinking, it's like forever. Anyway, I just wanted to say, loving you, girl, loving you, girl, loving you, girl. There, I said it, yeah. Sweet vibration, sweet positive sensation. I wanna make sweet loving to you, girl. Now, yeah, yeah. Maori girl, Samoan girl, Raro, Tahiti, Hawaii, Viti girl, all island girls all around the world. Dikamali welcomes you all to this one love zone and messages and rhymes over the microphone. Girls so pretty, keep that beauty, hailing you up from Suva to Auckland City, my island sweetie. Much love, so dearly, yours sincerely. Loving you, girl, day and night. Loving you, girl, wrong or right, loving you, girl. Yeah, right. Say love it, right. This one's for the island. This one's for the island, girl. This one's for the island. This one's for the island, girl. This one's for the island. This one's for the island, girl. This one's for the island. This one's for the island, girl. This one's for the island. Yeah.